Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here with your morning market stir for Monday, March 31st to end the trading month. E-mini S&P was positive on Friday, up 0.5%. 1850.5 is where it finished, up 10 points. The high in the session was 1859.5, so it did finish about middle course on the day. The loss for the week in the E-mini S&P, it did claw back, was only down 0.5% after some bumpy action. Dow futures did fare better, up 58, 16,240. The Dow futures led the way on a weekly basis, up 0.12%. The NASDAQ not doing so well. It did finish plus 9 on Friday, 35.63, but the loss on the week was more than 2% in the NASDAQ futures. Dollar index finished at 80.34, up 8. The range on the dollar was only 20 points between the high and low as it's been consolidating. The euro currency finished at 137.50 and below that 138 threshold that we've been keeping an eye on a weekly basis. Bonds saw some selling with the stock firmness, 137.17, down 22. Crude oil added 40 cents at 101.70. We only had a dollar range between the high and the low on Friday, but crude did close above the $100 psychological level that we wanted to see for the bullish bias here, and back above 100 at 101.70. We saw gold not do a whole lot. It didn't go any lower, but it didn't go any higher. It was unchanged on the session at $12.94. Gold lost $42 on the week, so there's back-to-back big losses on a weekly basis in the gold market as the dollar index has remained firm. So after the positive action on Friday, where did the market stand here in the last day? Well, actually the last day of the quarter here. Well, we've got the E-mini S&P up 6 at 1856.5. We're up about 1/3%. Dow futures are up 52 at 16,292, and the NASDAQ is snapping back at 35.77, up 14. Currencies, we're getting a bit of a sell here in the dollar, 8022 down 12. That's pushed the euro currency right back up to that 138. We're at 137.92, up 46. Bond unwinding continues. We're down 19 at 132.30 as the stocks continue to move higher. And right now we've got crude oil at 101.30, giving back the 40 cents that it gained on Friday in that crude market. Crude oil did gain $2 and change on the week last week. And looking at the gold market, we're up $1 at $12.95 as things stand right now, with 1300, the weekly pivot that we got to keep an eye on. So to wrap up the current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're firm in the stock index, is up about 1/3%, 1856.5 in the E-mini S&P, and 50 points in the Dow futures at 16,292. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.